Hello, Ashton here. In this video, I'd like to introduce another function for Google Sheets. So this one is called OS Google News. So this function is very similar to our built-in function called import. I think import feeds. So this one is going to import some news. So you can import some RSS feeds. And this one, you actually have some flexibilities, but you also have some disadvantage of this one. You can only filter them by the number of the posts. And so basically, our version here is basically designed for Google News, and it's going to be easier for you to use because we just pass any topic or any news you are interested, so any keywords for the query. So you can do, I don't know, maybe China news, and then you just pass a country. So basically, if I want to fetch the news in US, so any news about China in US, I can do China, US, and then I'm going to filter this by either using a number of posts, so maybe the latest 10 posts, or I can do the post maybe was published in the basically in the past 24 hours, so I can use one day to represent 24 hours. So 2 days, just about 48 hours, similar things like this. So I can say maybe one day, any news in US for basically any news about China in US, I can do something like this. So it's going to fetch the news here, you will see. So the date, so it's basically last 24 hours, so you will have the timestamp here. And then you've got this title, and the source to the post, and the description here, and the source of this news. So you can do here. So I think it's quite flexible to use, and the posts are sorted by the date. So if I'm trying to get just maybe top 5, so the latest 5, so I can put a number 5 here, and then it's going to slice the result, and it's going to only return the latest 5 posts from this combination, right? And you can easily do other things. Basically, just need to change the topic of the news, and then the country or the region. So if you want to search some news from other countries, like if I have some news in Japan, for China, and we can do things very easily in Google Sheets like this. If you are using this kind of stuff very often, and I hope this is going to be a tool for you. Maybe some news in Thailand. TH, I think this is right. So I cannot retype. So it's basically got the basically sees news post feeds to Google Sheets very easily. Okay, so I think that's it about this video. Thank you. Bye bye.